Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free Primogems in Genshin Impact in 2025 for free. So this is a very easy video. You just want to make sure you pay attention to all the steps. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, hexmods.com. They've been having problems, so it might look a little weird, but this is a modded site. It's pretty cool. So here we are on the site, and yeah, it doesn't really work very well. It's not meant for iPhones or something, so I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Genshin because I have to turn my phone. And as you can see, there's the Genshin Impact mod, so I'm going to press on it, press download. It's going to start to download. So, and let's just wait for this to download, guys. We're going to get free Primogems. Ooh. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, I'm excited, aren't you? Dang, brother, I never knew I was getting free Primogems. But before we get them, we have to do the verification step. Genshin Impact Mod Installer, complete 2 free apps or surveys. So there's going to be around 4 apps, and you got to download 2 of these apps, read the instructions, complete the instructions, and then you get your Genshin Impact mod. You come back to the verification page here. So each app has different instructions. Family Island says reach level 10, but then TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. I did the Family Island one where you got to reach level 10. It was pretty easy. But I'm going to see you later. That's how to get free Primogems in 2025. Fully working video for you guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out. I mean, it's really pretty easy. But yeah, just do the verification. If you are not in the United States, I am in the United States right now. The apps you see may be very different, and that's fine. It doesn't have to be these specific apps. And I know that it shows 4 apps, but you only have to download 2 of them, so even if it shows 4, you don't have to do 4. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it's fully updated, so hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out.